How to add friends in Character.AI. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel once again. How to use basics. Today in this topic, I'm gonna show you how to add friends in Character.AI. Open the app in your device. To add friends in Character.ai, first you should have your own character in a Character.ai. If you don't have a character, you can check our previous episode how to make a character in Character.ai. Let's get back to tutorial. If you already log in app and have a character, then you can see this interface. After reaching this interface, you can see plus icon and tap that icon. Later tapping that icon, you can see character, group chat, personal, voice. Tap to group chat and now you can create a group chat. And after creating a group chat, you can add friends in Character.ai and you can share this link to your friends to add your friends in Character.ai. This is how easy to add friends in Character.ai. I hope this video been informative and useful. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Thank you for watching us.